The EU energy label is changing. The new label provides a clear indication of the energy efficiency of a product at the time of purchase, and thereby enabling energy-efficient choices easier. The current scale of the label, going from A++ to G, is being rearranged into a new simpler scale, from A, most efficient, to G, least efficient, making it easier for everyone to understand and compare products. During 2021, 5 product groups of appliances will be relabeled: refrigerators, dishwashers, washing machines and washer-dryers, electronic displays and lamps. The new label, depending on the product, will display electric consumption, and unlike the old one, also other useful energy and non-energy information through intuitive pictograms, and a new innovative element, a QR code. The EU energy label has been around since 1992. As technology has changed and improved significantly meanwhile, it is time for an update. 5 types of products will have a new, revised, and updated energy label: refrigerators, including wine storage appliances, dishwashers, washing machines and washer-dryers, electronic displays, counting TVs and monitors, and lighting sources. The new labeling will be applied on 4 groups of appliances starting from the 1st of March 2021, while LED lights will be in full force by the 1st of September 2021. The new label is easy to read and understand for consumers, thanks to an intuitive graphic, the use of colors, and a QR code containing useful additional information about the product. Refrigerators and freezers, wine storage appliances, washing machines and washer-dryers, dishwashers, TVs and displays will be relabeled from the 1st of March 2021, both in physical stores and online, with a switchover period until the 18th of March 2021. Appliances bearing the old labels and already on the market at the 1st of November 2020 can still be sold until the 30th of November 2021. Light sources shall bear the new label from the 1st of September 2021, both in physical stores and online, with a switchover period until the 28th of February 2023. Starting from the 1st of January 2019, all suppliers have to upload their product information into EPREL, the European Product Database for Energy Labeling, to sell them on the European market. For any question, visit the BELT Project website and contact us. All producers must provide the new energy label according to the new testing methods set forth in the regulation. After a switchover period from the 1st of November 2020 to the 1st of March 2021 for refrigerators and freezers, washing machines, washer-dryers, dishwashers and displays, only new relabeled products may be placed on the market. From the 1st of September 2021, also new lamps can only be sold with the new energy label. From January 2019, manufacturers must register their products in the European Product Database for Energy Labeling. A new registration is required for products subject to the new regulation. Finally, a new eco-design regulation is coming into force, introducing new requirements on resource efficiency, functionality, and information. To find out more and obtain training material, visit the BELT website for market players at newenergylabelt.eu/en. Cost saving is key to procurement personnel, and the new label allows for an easier evaluation of these costs on purchases that can be more cost-effective. A company must understand the world's new trends, and the new energy label will help identify them immediately. For your company, it will be easier to reach the environmental goals with a more efficient label to identify the best and most efficient products. We strongly recommend purchasing only products with the highest energy efficiency, as this can be rewarding in public procurement processes. Business procurement personnel can support the green switchover by complying with the new energy requirements in public procurement processes. Stay updated with the new European energy label legislation through EPREL.